Right? And what does it mean? It means that your turbo is sucking harder than your air filter. Wait, that don't make sense. Air filters don't suck, but this one does. This was the air filter my truck had. Total junk, piece of shit frame, total junk, totally nasty. I have no idea how much it costs. It's probably like a $12, $20 filter. I cut up my air box and I put this K&N right here, and I put my air meter, whatever you want to call this, vacuum gauge, air filter quality meter. I just poked a hole and put it in there. It's in there real good. So what I did was I made a hot air intake. I don't know where the rest of this battery cover is. I've never had it with a truck. I'll have to get one from a junkyard, help funnel some of that cold air in. But yeah, I made a hot air intake. It sounds pretty cool. It's probably gonna hurt some of my miles per gallon. A lot of guys with these trucks. Damn. A lot of these guys with these trucks, they do the 6637.
Going with the 6637 mod.
That big old, it's literally referred to as the big fucking air filter, BFH mod or whatnot. And they just set it right there and they get rid of the box and everything. At least I know with this hot air intake, I can actually go get the ducting for this area right here. At least I know it'll have some cold draft air coming up into it. And if I wanted to, I could continue cutting up that lid right there, and I could put that lid back over that. How airtight would it be? I could probably, you know, sit there and measure it and mark it out and put some insulation on it and make it pretty airtight, and then duct the air in there, and it would literally be like a stock setup with a big old K&N in it. Now, I've heard people don't like K&Ns because they flow too much air and they let too much dirt in, blah, blah, blah. It can't be no worse than half these other filters out there. A lot of people don't realize you have to maintenance a filter. This filter, you're supposed to take it off, fill it with cleaner, rinse it out, pressure wash it out or whatever. Then you put the oil back in it. The oil is purple. I have some of it over here. Do I think highly of K&N? No, they're readily available, and that's the only reason I got it, because I went to like 3 different parts stores, and here's the cleaner, here's the oil. So I can, and on top of that, I have a 1-year warranty in store through Advanced Auto Parts on that filter. A year from now, I can take it back in and exchange it. So it was like 70 bucks. Not a bad deal, honestly. What does it mean? It means your turbo's sucking harder than your air filter.